Some new Samsung patents could be showing us the final design of the Galaxy S10. Nokia has an event for December, and it seems that we're getting 3 phones, and one of them could be awesome. And if you bought the new iPad Pro, we recommend you treat it lightly because it bends easily. I'm Jaime Rivera, and I guess I'm gonna have to handle it with care. This is Pocketnow Daily, sponsored by Ting. The official news today begin with deals as Google is already chiming in on Black Friday. You can get discounts of up to $150 off the Pixel, $200 off the Pixel 3, and that's the XL, by the way. And there are obviously some other deals when it comes to Project Fi. Again, Black Friday is about to get crazy. Prepare, as most likely within the next few days we'll have deals plus deals plus deals. We'll keep you posted. Now let's talk about the Asus ROG Phone, the phone that I thought was going to launch a lot earlier than the Razer Phone 2, and as it turns out, it's barely up for pre-orders in the UK. Obviously, you get great bells and whistles and specs and whatever you want, but I'm still waiting for things like my review unit, for example, and that's actually hard to come by. Now, HMD has just sent out press invitations for an event to happen in Dubai on December 5th. HMD invitations are fully accepted. Think about it as we seem to have 3 new Nokia phones being announced here. And with a setting like Dubai, obviously we expect that at least one of these devices should be extravagant. And it could be that rumored PureView smartphone with 5 cameras. Whatever the case may be, stay tuned, as I'm definitely looking forward to it. Now let's move the spotlight over to iPad Pros and our buddy Zach at Jerry Rig Everything. You can trust this guy to do whatever crazy things you should not do with your products. And what he did was bend the iPad Pro, and bend it rather easily. And yes, one of the major selling points of that new iPad is just how slim it is, how easy it is to handle. But obviously it comes with a price tag. I don't expect anybody to be carrying an iPad in their pocket, but I will tell you this much. I mean, I carry it in a bag along with computers and a lot of camera gear. So I will tell you, I am concerned about this very expensive tablet bending. So yeah, hopefully it doesn't, but I don't think it won't. And finally, the hot news today have to do with patents and the possible design of the Samsung Galaxy S10, as some have just emerged and they seem possible. And for those of you that thought that the design of the camera might be a cutout in the middle, apparently it's going to be in one of the corners. And it makes sense. I mean, instead of interrupting the notification tray in the middle, why not just do it in the corner and not bother with the rest of it? I feel that that's probably the coolest way to design a cutout for a camera without bothering the rest of the user interface. But let us know in the comments down below, what do you think? Do you like this concept design? Well, it's not a concept, it's a patent. So do you like this one, or would you prefer any other of the notch options that we've seen? Because in my case, I think this is probably the one I like the most. But leave us a comment down below, we'd love to know your opinion. And before we end this video, let me tell you about our awesome sponsor, Ting. Ting does mobile phone service differently. There are no startup fees, no contracts, no plans. Best of all, you only pay what you use. There's a full nationwide LTE coverage, and it works with old phones as much as it does with new ones. Use code pocketnow.ting.com to try it out for free, whether that's $25 off your bill or a new phone. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We will see you next week.